Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use iPad for remote work. With the arrival of iOS 10, iPads receive a function called switch control. This allows a user to take over the target iPad remotely with another device. Note that both devices must be connected to the same network and Apple ID account. First, connect both the iPad and controlling device to the same Wi-Fi network and Apple ID account. Now, go to Settings on your controlling device. Next, select Accessibility. Turn on Switch Control. To set up a new switch, select Switches from Switch Control. Now, select Add New Switch and choose a source. The three options are external, screen, and camera. Navigate the switch control menu with your switch and select switches. And then select Bluetooth device. Find the target iPad and select connect. Now you can control the iPad remotely. Being able to control your iPad this way can be very convenient, especially for users with impaired movement. For example, a person can control their iPad with the help of their iPhone, iPod Touch, or even another iPad, as both are Apple products and capable of logging into the same Apple ID. It's a prime option for this task. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.